Bakit nga ba ang Metrobank World Mastercard ang pinakamagandang credit card ni Metrobank? So, ang World Mastercard is designed to our high-income earners, frequent travelers, and also luxury seekers. Okay, number 1, 3 times reward points on foreign currency spend. So, mas mabilis makaipon ng points at mas mabilis makaipon ng air miles kung ang credit card niyo is World Mastercard. Bakit? Times 3 sa lahat ng mga foreign currency spend. So, every 20 pesos spend, nagta-times 3 ang points. So, every 20 pesos, times 3 ang makukuhang points. Next is number 2, low transaction fee sa mga foreign currency spend. It's 1.85. Okay, another exclusive benefit ng ating World Mastercard is free for life ang dalawang supplementary card natin. So kung bibigyan natin ng credit card yung asawa natin o yung anak natin, free for life na yung annual fee ng dalawang card na yon. Dahil ang credit card natin bears the word world, so the 50% off covers here in the Philippines and also abroad. So it covers the dining, the shopping, and the travel deals. Another exclusive benefit ni World Mastercard is it offers 2 complimentary global lounge access via Mastercard Travel Pass. So per year siya, 2 pag international. Pag domestic naman, unlimited access sa domestic lounges natin. Next video ko, abangan nyo po yun dahil ipapakita natin ang pag-compute ng reward points at kung magkano ang gagastusin para maka-earn ng ganitong air miles. Thank you so much guys.